Hi, and welcome to Informatica Cloud Training Channel. In this channel, we will be uploading short videos on various elements of Informatica Cloud Platform. Today, we are going to see cloud computing, various service models of cloud computing, and see where Informatica Cloud fits in the entire space. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of on-demand computing services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. So rather than managing things on an on-premise storage device, you will be doing the same over the internet in a cost-efficient manner. Cloud computing has two types of models, service model and a deployment model. Today, we are going to see the three different service models available in the cloud platform. There are three major service models available: infrastructure as a service, then we have platform as a service, and finally, we have software as a service. Infrastructure as a service is a cloud service model where users get access to basic computing infrastructure. So you will get only resources like storage or virtual machines, and you have to manage the data, applications, and runtime middleware by yourself. So only storage is managed by the cloud service provider. So the various major players in providing you the storage are AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Next, we will come to platform as a service. Platform as a service provides cloud platforms and runtime environments for developing, testing, and managing applications. Users can deploy applications without the need to acquire and manage and maintain the related architecture. Platform as a service requires you to handle the applications and the data, and the rest of the components like your runtime middleware operating systems, servers, storage, and others are handled by the cloud service providers. So if you see what are the various examples of platform as a service, we have Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, Oracle Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud Platform, and an extension to it, we have the Salesforce application as a service, and we have integrated platform as a service where Informatica IaaS comes into picture. We will see about IaaS in detail in the next slide. The third service model is software as a service, which involves cloud services for hosting, managing your software applications, and all the software and hardware requirements are satisfied by the vendor, so you don't have to manage any of those aspects of the solution. So as an example, we have Adobe, Atlassian Jira, Google, Microsoft. All these are various software as a service providers. So now let us see what is IaaS, and we'll also see how it is different from other services. So what is IaaS? IaaS stands for Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. It is a next generation iPaaS solution that allows you to exchange data between applications or to exchange data externally with business partners. So what is iPaaS? iPaaS, or Integration Platform as a Service, is a set of automated tools for connecting software applications that are deployed in different environments. iPaaS is often used by large enterprises that needs to integrate on-premise applications and data on different cloud applications. So from Informatica perspective, you can see that Informatica is a leader in data integration, data quality, and MDM platforms. So if you see, we have the Informatica Power Center, which is the bread and butter for Informatica, which is installed on the on-premise. And the cloud version of it, it's given by CDI or Cloud Data Integration, and all the transformations in Power Center are available on your CDI. We can also see that we have applications like Data Integration Hub, B2B Data Exchange and Data Transformation, which relies on Power Center. Similarly, we have Cloud Data Integration Hub, which depends on the Cloud Data Integration mappings, as well as Cloud B2B, which also depends on the Cloud Data Integration mapping. Coming to data quality, we have Informatica Data Quality or Developer Tool available on-premise, and we have the same Cloud Data Quality, which is available on your cloud platform. From an MDM perspective, we have the traditional MDM hub and all the rest of the connectors like Entity 360, Customer 360, Supply 360, and Reference 360. And when it comes to MDM, it is still growing. We have Business 360 Console, Customer 360, and Reference 360. But these models are software as a service, right? And for metadata management, we have Enterprise Data Catalog. And for data governance, we have Axon. And similarly, we have those in your cloud as data governance and cataloging on your cloud environment. Since we are dealing with a lot of process automation in cloud, Informatica also provides cloud application integration so that you can integrate your applications both resides in internally as well as externally in other platforms. So if you like our video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be able to see the updates regularly. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.